All right, as you guys know, I have a brand new cookbook coming out called Eat What You Love, and we are going to give you the very first ever sneak peek recipe from it. We're making Snickerdoodle cookies today with my little sleepyhead who just woke up from his nap but insisted on making some cookies with mommy. So you ready to get started? Yeah, let's do it. All right. Easton, I need you to help me here, okay? Can you put this in the bowl? Cashew flour. Good job. This is coconut flour. Can you put that in? And while you do that, I'm going to put some arrowroot in and some maple sugar. Can you put that in there, buddy? Good job. Cinnamon. You want to smell that? Smell. No? Okay. Okay, you do this one, I'll do this one. That's baking soda. This is salt. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cream of tartar. Good job. You ready? Let's pop this top on. Okay, can you push this button? Push it hard. Okay, couple more things. Ready? This is called palm shortening. You want to do it? I'll use the spoon and you hold the bowl, okay?
I'll use a little one.
You want to use a little one? What are you going to get?
A little one.
Okay, you go get that. I'm going to add the maple syrup while you're getting what you're getting. Okay, last thing is some vanilla. You got your spatula. Okay, we need to put the lid back on and blend this all up one more time. Can we do our blender dance? Okay, let's leave that, and now I need your help measuring this, okay? So this is what we are going to roll our Snickerdoodles in. Snickerdoodles pretty much are just sugar cookies with some extra cinnamon in them, and then you roll them in a cinnamon sugar mixture and bake them. So we have 1.5 tablespoons of maple sugar. Now, I love using maple sugar in this as opposed to something like a coconut sugar or palm sugar because it's more finely ground and it also is just a little bit sweeter. And then the kick here that makes the Snickerdoodle what it is, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Can you stir that up? It's a little bit of a big spoon, huh? There we go. All right, Easton, I need your help for this part. This is why I called you in, because I can't do this without you. You need to be my rolling assistant, okay? So let's get this blade out of here so that we don't pose any risks to toddlers. Okay, get all this. Oh, look at that dough. So, Easton, I am going to scoop some of this into your hand. And I need you to go like this for me, okay? Let's roll these guys up. Okay, watch. Mommy's gonna do one, you're gonna do one. You ready? So, in our hands, go like this. Don't squish it. That's perfect! So ready? Watch, I'm gonna show you. Let me come behind you, okay? So don't push too hard, just kind of like this. Gentle. Gentle, kind of like we are with our doggy and our sister. Gentle. There. So we need to roll this. See how I'm rolling this in here? And I'm getting all of that yummy sugar and cinnamon all over that cookie. Okay. So I need you to do that with this one. Can you do that? Teamwork. Teamwork. Gentle. There you go. Okay, can you put it on the tray? I always say cooking with your kids is probably the least perfect thing and the most messy and completely unpredictable. And your cookies might be all sorts of odd shapes, but you know what? It's the most fun. We have our first batch here. I'm gonna go put those in the oven. I've preheated it to 350 degrees. And I'm gonna let my little kitchen assistant stay here and keep on working, okay? I expect those to be completely done and perfect when I get back. What do you think about that? Yeah. Oh. They don't have to be perfect, just done. We had another waker from a nap, so family cookie time. You know what, and what better kids to have in this video with me, because this book was written for kids, for families. All of these recipes are things that I grew up eating and that I want my kids to be able to enjoy. So we've remade them all grain-free. You want a cookie? What do you think? Is it yummy? It's buttery, sugary, has that crackly top that I remember from growing up. Okay, you can find this full recipe on my blog at againstallgrain.com. And of course, make sure you pre-order Eat What You Love because this recipe and so many more are in there for you guys.